So in this video we are going to see recruitment news from Mount Blue Technologies. So there is a recruitment happening for the post of software engineer trainee. So we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. That is, what are the qualification requirement, also the selection process we'll be discussing. Okay. So the recruitment is happening for the post of software engineer trainee. It is actually an entry level position. So if you are a fresher, please do watch this video till the end. Okay. The location of job is Bangalore. And the salary also they have mentioned in the beginning itself. Salary is 3.62 lakh per annum. 3.62 lakh per annum is the package of the salary they are offering. Okay. Now, also if you don't know about Mount Blue, it is actually a premium service provider and they are actually looking for smart and motivated programmers to join their team. And if you are getting selected, you will be initially selected as a trainee. There will be a training of 12 to 13 weeks. After completing of the training program, only they will be considering you for the software development engineer. So initially you will be taken as a software engineer trainee. After that, the role or the job offered is software development engineer. Okay. So the candidate must have programming experience at least in this. They are not asking an experience in year, but if you have some working experience in the languages like JavaScript, Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, or C or C++, then you will get a preference. Okay. So they are not actually asking experience in years, but if you have a working experience in any of these languages, then you will get a preference. Again, you will get to know what are the responsibilities. Everything they have mentioned in detail, that is, work in a team to develop, compile and test and debugging of software. So all these things, that is the responsibilities or job description, again they have given in the notification. Okay. Now moving on to the qualification. The qualification, they have not actually mentioned any specific degree or anything. It will be any graduation. Okay. So they have just asked for some talented people who is having knowledge in JavaScript, Java, Python or PHP. So if you have this knowledge, then you are eligible. That is a qualification they are mentioning. Okay. Also good analytical and problem solving skills, then excellent verbal and communication skills, eagerness to learn new technologies. These are the qualifications they are actually mentioning. Also they have given here the benefits that you are going to get if you apply for this job or if you are getting selected. Now moving on to the application procedure, you can actually apply through your Google account. Just click on the icon which you are seeing on the link or in the description. So you'll get that is, you can apply through Google and you have to just enter your phone number. You don't have to enter all the details and everything. Only if you pass their test, then you have to proceed to apply further. Okay. So you just have to enter your phone number and then apply. And when applying, you will be getting a mail from their side, and in that mail they have actually mentioned the detailed selection process. Okay. So they have mentioned the selection process like this. There is level 1 coding test. You can actually take this test from the home itself. Okay. You don't have to travel to anywhere. You don't have to travel or anything. You just have to take this test at your home itself. So level 1 is a coding test. Then live coding interview. Then again they have mentioned what is going to happen in this coding test. Okay. Next is level 2. It will be HR assessment for those who qualify level 1. So level 1 is a coding test, level 2 is an HR test. After you pass this test and everything, you will get to fill up all that other things. Okay. So that is the selection procedure. So once you enter your phone number, you will get a mail from their side. But this mail is not actually having the link for giving the test. For the link to give the test, you have to actually wait for some days, and after this some days you will get a mail from their side, and in that mail they will be giving you the link for giving the test. Okay. So only then you can give the test and complete the other selection procedures. Also in this mail they have given regarding their training program. It is online learning platform which is called Propel School. So in this Propel School, if you have some problems in programming, if you are not good in programming, then you can actually improve your programming and problem solving skills if you visit this school or this training institute. Okay. We run an online learning platform called Propel School, which can improve your programming skills. Okay. Also they have mentioned that what all things they provide in this school, everything. So just visit their school if you are interested in improving your programming skills. Okay, so this thing they have actually mentioned along with their mail. Okay, so we have seen all details regarding the Mount Blue recruitment. Okay, so the recruitment is actually for initially for trainee. After you complete your training, you will be absorbed into this organization. Okay, so we have seen all the qualification requirement, the salary, the selection process, application procedure, everything we have seen in detail. So if you are interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. They are not asking any experience or anything. Also, there is no fees for applying. Okay, so please do see the notification. If you think that you are eligible, please do apply for it as soon as possible. And also in the description, I'll be posting this company's link. If you want to have a quick look on the company, what are their technologies, what are their services and everything, you can have a look. Okay, so both the links I'll be posting in description. So if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up, also share with your friends, and if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.